6153, about 1 Penn Station. I'm not. Oh no, it's getting blocked 6250. Caught up to this one again, 6153. Wow.
Oh, don't hit me.
Yeah, exactly.
At the next light, turn right.
Yeah, that thing's about to leave the doors closed. Yeah, it's leaving. Oh wow, another one. 6150, Penn Station Babylon. A cool cat ice cream truck. I even got ice cream here. It's also a good park. It's in Wantagh. So good. I got the vanilla Dixie cup from this one here. It was good seeing that cool cat ice cream truck. At least I got ice cream from it. It's actually a good area. I've been here last year, so I just didn't record. All good. I like over there. That looks cool over there. There should be a road over there. There definitely is. Plus, it's kind of close to, like, not too far from Jones Beach. Since, like, it's in Wantagh, close by. What do you think of this? This is actually really good. I like what it looks like, especially up there. It looks amazing. Clouds look nice too. This is a good time to come. Around this time is good. It's gonna be sunset pretty soon. I've been here for like a very long time. It's been like about like 7 hours. I only came here for a reason. So good. The fact that there's like, I don't know what that is. The good things I saw. Cool cat ice cream truck. I even got ice cream. I know who's gonna be happy about it, but he might comment. I gotta go. Bye bye. Getting the view of this one. How do you like this? This is also a good view here. Make sure to come here, Wantagh Park here. Oh shoot, I don't know what it's called though. It's in Wantagh, this park. You could come here during the sunset. It's actually really nice. All good. I'm so glad I got a chance to come. I might be only going here once a year though. I did last year. Alright. Now it's gotten cooler. I like that. I like what it looks like now. It's even better. All these clouds kind of make it nicer, not gonna. I mean, I kind of like it with the blue sky. Everybody's leaving now from the park. So good. 6185 Babylon Penn Station. M7s. It's all good. I hear 6067 Patchogue to Jamaica. On the Babylon branch. Next weekend they're going on the Babylon branch as well. I believe they're gonna do it for the rest of the summer probably. If I can, I could try singing 1695 tomorrow. If I can. If not, I guess I'll just record the sound of it. Alright, guys. What do you like about... Do you like this type of weather, like, with the clouds? Let me know. I really gotta do a hangout video soon. I've not done that in like 2 years. Not gonna lie, last summer was way better. In my opinion, alright? Sorry. That's a nice engine sound. Alright, guys. 6187, Babylon to Penn Station. It's only been a minute, it's already coming. That picnic was so good. I had so much fun. Sometimes I can hear an M7 stopping and start moving. Yeah, I heard it.